Welcome to Better Maths Academy. So in this lesson, I want to show you how to solve a question like this. Okay, so given a problem like this, remember in indices, when you have x raised to power 1 over 2, this means square root of x. So I'm going to be applying this rule to this question. All right. So to solve an equation like this, you can start from the innermost root. I'm going to express this equation in the index form. Okay, so starting from this innermost root, 3 all raised to power 1 over 2. I've taken care of the square root of this 3. Then for this one, it's going to be times 3 all raised to power 1 over 2. Then for this other one, is going to be times 9 all raised to power 1 over x. So this whole expression is equal to 3 raised to power 3. I've expressed 27 as 3 raised to power something, so 3 raised to power 3. You remember the power law of indices that says that if you have a, b, all raised to power n. So this is something as a raised to power n times b raised to power n. So I'm going to apply this power law to solving this equation. It becomes, starting from the innermost bracket, this is 1 over 2. I will use this 1 over 2 to multiply this 1 over 2. So it becomes, and then use this 1 over 2 to multiply this, multiply the power of 3 here, which is 1. So it becomes 3 raised to power 1 over 2 times 3 raised to power 1 over 4, because 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 4. 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 2, 4. Okay, then bringing back the last bracket. So bringing down what is in the last bracket. So this is 9. 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2. So this is times. Instead of me to write 9, I will write 9 as 3 raised to power 2. Then bring down the last bracket. Then the power here is 1 over x, all equal to 3 raised to power 3. Okay, so applying the power law here also, so it becomes this 1 over x, we multiply this, and multiply this. So this becomes 3 raised to power 2 over x times 3 raised to power 1 over 2x times 3 raised to power 1 over 4x. This is equal to 3 raised to power 3. So here we are going to apply the multiplication law of indices, which says that if you have a raised to power n times a raised to power m, and this is something as a raised to power n plus m. Once the bases are the same, you should add up the powers. So this becomes 3 raised to power 2 over x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 4x. This is equal to 3 raised to power 3. So adding up these fractions, this is 2 over x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 4x. So the lowest common multiple for all the denominators here is going to be 4x. So I'm going to write this as 3, 4x, then 4x divided by x, that is 4x divided by x. X will cancel out, so we are left with 4. So 4 times 2, 8. So this is 8 plus 4x divided by 2x, that is 4x divided by 2x. So x will cancel out x. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2 times 1, this is 2. So this is then plus 4x divided by 4x is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. This is equal to 3 raised to power 3. So this becomes 3 raised to power 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11 over 4x. This is equal to 3 raised to power 3. So since the bases are equal, it means that the power are also equal. So that means that 11 over 4x is equal to 3 over 1. Expressing this as a fraction. So we can cross multiply. So that means 3 times 4x will give us 12x is equal to 11. So that x is equal to 11 divided by 12. So this becomes our final answer. So to verify this answer, it is easier to use the index form of this equation to verify the answer. That means if we plunge in x to replace this value, we are going to get 3 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 27. I believe that this lesson is quite simple, and if you follow from the beginning to the end, you understood everything that we just explained. If you know a better way of solving this question that is quite simpler and easier, do it to communicate to us in the comment section below. And if you have any question for me, do it to drop it in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.